Meaning of funnily.
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 Funnily. Funnily is an adverb that means in a humorous or unexpected way. When something happens funnily, it usually elicits a sense of amusement or surprise from the observer. For example, someone might say, "Funnily enough, I bumped into my old teacher at the grocery store today." This sentence suggests that running into the teacher was unexpected or amusing in some way. Overall, the use of the word funnily adds a lighthearted and playful tone to the conversation or description.